Good morning. Good morning, Death. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we were looking at this piece of shit. Hmm. Okay, it's very interesting because... Oh, right, I forgot. It's bullshit. This isn't a disable button because Godot is a fucking hack. Okay, so... On body entered, if body is player, and body.velocity.y is less than 0, so you're going up. Okay, well, I don't need that. Okay, velocity is less than y, and body.position.y is greater than self.position.y. Why? Why are you going up by 2 fucking pixels? Oh, well no, you're just off grid. Oh, wait, no, it's centering the middle to be on the grid. 3D modeling again right now. I can't 3D model, unfortunately. I can't really do much of any visual art at the moment. It looks like shit. Okay, so I think the issue is, even though it's 1 pixel tall, its center is on the grid line. So it's sticking up and down by half a pixel rather than just being on. Oh my god, stop snapping. Okay, so I guess that you need to go like that. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. No. Oh my goodness. Why are you not working? Okay, if I get rid of this. Okay. Okay, so it is detecting me. If body.velocity okay, so it's the exact same issue as with the other guy. For whatever reason, it's just not detecting me fast enough. I'm hitting the top collider and coming to a full stop before it detects me. Even though it should be detecting me the instant I pass through this. Like, there's like there's like 6 pixels of space before I hit the top block and my velocity stops. Hmm. Okay, new idea. Make that smaller. Can I make you... Yes. 1 pixel raycast. And then... duplicate. And then duplicate. One, two, three. Actually, maybe 4. Game. Godot. Let me if I can click on this. What is this offset bullshit? Why? Okay, oh, whatever. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that it should be centered. Oh, wait, no, that's gonna have the exact same issue. Wait. Yeah, no, that's gonna have the exact same issue. I'm sorry, 16.33? How are you possibly registering my velocity as being downward when I'm initially entering you? That should only ever happen on the, like, going up. Uh, yeah, I don't see how this. On body entered. It should be the moment I enter it. How am I possibly? There's like I'm not moving fast enough to. I'm not moving fast enough to go all the way here in a single frame. There's no shot. I'm not moving 6 pixels in a single frame. I don't think. I don't think velocity is pixels per frame. Wait a second. Hang on. Okay, yeah, going up is negative. I'm not okay. Current velocity of vector in pixels per second. Okay, pixels per second. So Okay, so jump force is basically minus 395. So 395 divided by 60. Well, shit. Shit, that would be 6.58 pixels per frame. I'll be damned. Although, shit. Okay, I'm gonna need a different solution in that case. I guess I can do this. Just move this in a couple pixels. Try a raycast. Yeah, I was thinking about that. That's the fucking 2D array separation ray shape. That tries to separate itself from any collider. Why the fuck is it called separation ray shape? Well, I mean, the issue appears to be that I was just moving too fast. So I was hitting the upper collision, bringing my velocity to a complete stop before the velocity check. So I either need to have the player be slower, I need to change how this is physically, or I need to just do an entire different type of check. Okay, you know what? Let's actually just go ahead. This should be fine. I'm not going to worry about, oh, you hit the very corner, you're going to bump up. So let's just go ahead and just remove the speed check entirely. There we go. If someone... Okay, yeah. So jumping into it and moving forward does not trigger it.
Tes 914 just followed.
Oh, thank you for the follow. I need to remember to fix my speakers. Tez 4914 rather. Okay, so this will be fine. So that means I can don't duplicate the player. That means I can just put this stuff wherever. Oh yeah, my score isn't visible because window scaling is bullshit. Oh no, super fucking tiny screen. Body.score. Score. Menu handler? Oh wait. Oh no, I don't need to be updating the score in the. Oh, oh yeah, I was. I didn't want to update. I didn't want to be updating the score display every frame. I wanted to update it only when the value changed. So really, I should make a function. Maybe if I do this. I guess score plus equals value. Okay. Hmm. Maybe, maybe I should disable the audio on like the notification pop-up thing. It is a bit not distracting, but sometimes interrupts the flow of thought. That if it becomes I'll deal with that later if it becomes too big of an issue. Okay, so score plus equals value, and then that blah. So then over here, I just do body dot add score. Is that just a thing? Can I just do that? Oh my goodness. I can do that. Although it is triggering twice because the hitbox lingers. Hmm. Okay, well, I'll just go ahead and get rid of the collider instantly, and then the rest of it gets gone after. Yep, okay, there we go. So then I just take this. Hey, we got points. We got points. I would like to deal with the issue of zoom without breaking the everything. Nope. Okay, I was hoping that canvas layer would... Canvas layer says it... Join on a specific viewport. Okay. Okay, well that did not do what I wanted. Hmm. I have an idea. Ugh. The idea is get new sinuses. What the fuck? The camera stops moving when reaching this value. Oh. Oh, that's cool. So I could actually make it so that like to do a start of level thing. So like the camera can never move further back than the very start. Are you fucking kidding me? Really? I thought the score tracked to the camera. Okay, whatever. Oh, wait, no, it stays relative to something or other. I don't know. Okay, well, that works. Instead of messing with the entire game scale, I can just fucking zoom in the camera. I don't think that jump is possible. Okay, that works. That works. Ah. Interesting. Not Godot, Discord. Why are you not in streamer mode? You should automatically enable streamer mode. Hmm. Fuck. You're gonna be an issue. Because if I just did another raycast, the player could just walk through you to trigger that. Maybe I should put a cap on terminal velocity. No, that's way too floaty. Yeah, but then when you fall at a normal rate, you just you move too fast. Also, why the fuck are you braking? Get tree, reload current scene. Why are you braking? The root node of the currently loaded main scene. Define change. Or rather, define main scene. Also, this needs to, should probably be a darker shade of blue. This property is not designed to be changed at runtime. That's very unfortunate. Because this is what makes the hitboxes visible. Yeah, this is very unfortunate. So if you want your own toggleable hitbox display, you gotta do it yourself. Fuck. Why the fuck am I so tired? I might be hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and take a short break to eat something. Okay, let us think. I guess if I'm only gonna have like a few levels, I could just hard code the transitions rather than using a dynamic system. But this sounds worse. I'd rather do the dynamic system just in case, like, I want to expand later. Because, like, it's possible, after I get all the mechanics settled in, I decide I want to make more levels. Although, the issue is I don't know where to go from here. I don't have a checklist to follow. Maybe I could just, like, just take an existing simple Flash game and use that as, like, a template. Because, like, you have something like Red Ball, and there's just no transitions between levels. It just goes to the next level. Or maybe I should just not even focus on, like, multiple levels. Because, like, I can just focus on things that go in a level, and then later on I can make the connecting piece that links them. So, like, I can just make, like, however many individual levels and then just not worry about connecting them. Because, like, worst case scenario, like, I could always just have 15 or the levels, however many I make, and then after you beat a level, it just kicks you back out to the level select. Like, that would be, like, I wouldn't want to do it that way, but that is a way that it could be done. Now, how do I change the size of your text? Because your text is super duper small. Because even if I make the button bigger, the text itself is... You know what? No, that's whatever. That doesn't matter. No, not that. I need just... You know what? It's fine. I can use that. I can use this. None of that stuff. Okay. Stuff in level contents. Enemies. That's one. Hazards. That's another. Checkpoints. Finish line. Hmm. Uh, Positive. Not positive. Okay, so... I don't know if I care about a lives counter. I mean, lives are cool. And it does give you a good way to reward the player for doing something cool. You just throw them a few lives, but I mean, all a lot, all like a game over state is gonna do is just push the player back, like where else? Like to the start of the level rather than the checkpoint. Yeah. Yeah, if you have a level select, I don't think lives makes much sense. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, there's a thing. There's a thing. Okay, so objectives. So I'm imagining 3 big collectibles. And then maybe three, like the fucking star coins from New Super Mario Bros. Uh, 3, 2, 5. And then maybe there could be like end of level missions, for lack of a better term. Like beat level in under X time. Speedrun, that's a classic. Collect. No. No damage is also a classic. Not like that these would be on every single level, but just like this is the list of things that could be picked from that I could use. Like it might be better to just have them be the same for every level. Like, oh, every level has a speedrun time, and then you have a bronze, silver, and gold to go for. And then maybe there's like find the hidden doodad. Hmm. Maybe that could be one. So like basically full clear the level without dying. Well, maybe not without dying, but like without resetting. Okay, so speedrun is not 2 words. You are incorrect. Obsidian. Although the issue with having a speedrun time is if you have the speedrun time be based on just beating the level, but then you also have a criteria that is like full clear the level, that might make it to where people doing like a 100% speedrun have to do every level twice because it's just not possible to get all of the criteria for a full clear within the time span to get the best speedrun time. Hmm. That's an interesting conundrum. How about this? Final time. Max score. And damage taken. Each of these could have threshold values. Although, but then again, we still have the issue of the time. Because, like, fuck. I mean, like, I guess I could just include the timer, but then just not have it measure anything. Like, it's just a high score mechanic. Hmm. Hmm. I suppose damage taken doesn't super matter if it's like you don't even have like you get hit, you die, like a Mario type thing, or like even if you just have like 3 health or whatever, and like limited healing, there's only going to be so much damage that is possible to take. It's more a game of just avoiding the hazards. So really, oh, but if a death takes you all the way back to the start of the level anyway, the number of deaths is irrelevant outside of the context of like a full game run. And full clear only really matters if there's like multiple collectibles, multiple types of collectibles. Fuck. Yeah, my brain is completely out of it. Yeah, I do not think I got enough sleep last night for this kind of psychological malarkey. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call it. I think I just do not have what it takes to do this kind of stuff right now. Okay. Sorry. But I will make sure to get extra sleep so tomorrow we are ready to maybe do more things. Bye bye.